partial pests in the world because their massive horns and the hub is a break. They make sounds like
Wow.
and their heads like that. They make sound to scare predators and also call for help. And their long tails can stop this and they can like that their head for a shield and they spread away. And the Triceratops is my favorite captor. And he got strong muscles. This is called their shields. Their name is the shield of the Angana. Angana is called a shield. That's what that's. Also, scientists also get this and scrape the horns out and make them to a shield like this. And also this and they cut only this the intestines and so they can use that for they shape this and like that so they can use it for a walking board. So let's go sample it together. You can see their brown bodies and the blue eyes have them everything in their sights and they have blue eyes. They can see everything is blue except for humans. Their blue muscular eyes can see humans behind a tree. If they see you, they will not kill you because they are very shy and very nice for the humans. If a Tyrannosaurus Rex tries to kill you, you will save your life. If they can roll and finally legs on the dinosaur and make them to pancake. And because the flexible bone, you can see there's tiny cracks in the shield that helps them to run in a ball. And that's why in the Paraceraps, in the Triceps, in the Ankylosaurus are friends because they're the same sizes, but they're the same height. But also, they are friends because they're nice together because they look like the same face. They thought there is another one. So, also other ones make friends with them because Jacob is very angry. That's why I
sleep
don't.
na.
That was go sleep and like the channel. Wait, don't go yet. Press the firefly for some more videos. Bye bye.